Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you set up your vscode, or your Visual Studio Code like a hacker environment. So for it, firstly, you have to install the extension. So I'm going to jump into the extension box to install this to extension. And firstly, I have to search it here, matrix theme. This is the extension that we have to install. I'm pressing on the install button and then it will install. It's done. Don't worry if you can't find it by searching it on the extension box. I will provide the extension right in the description box. Then you have to click on the matrix. Your theme is changed. Now we have to search for another extension, which is Hacker Sound. Hacker Sound. This is the extension that we have to install. So I'm going to click on install and then it will install. Installing is done. Like the previous extension, I will provide extension ID in the description box, and that will help you to find the extension by just pasting the ID on the extension box. So I'm going to test. Now I'm typing and then you will listen the hex sound. I know that you're listening the sound, so thanks for your patience and thanks for your time.